For most homeowners, the lawn care is not enjoying the process, but it's about keeping the yard clean without constantly thinking about it. But here's the reality, because most robotic mowers, they look impressive on perfectly flat demo lawns, but in real backyards, they have uneven ground, slopes, trees, fence lines, random toys or tools left outside, and that's exactly where many robotic systems, they tend to struggle.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. I am here with my cousin in his brand new home, and so we're standing here in his backyard, and what a better day to showcase the brand new Sunseeker S4. Do it today in his brand new home. How do you feel? You excited?
I feel great. Although the day is beautiful, I wouldn't want to spend my whole day under the Florida sun mowing the lawn. And easily knowing this could take 4 hours of my day, where instead of doing that, I could concentrate on something more productive.
We don't want to hire people, so we're going to be testing out the brand new Sunseeker S4 and see how it performs. We're not going to do the whole yard because, disclaimer, you have to cut the long grass before, because these robots are made for mostly maintenance. So nonetheless, let's see how it does. Let's put it to the test. You excited?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
The Sunseeker S4 is an autonomous robotic mower designed for residential properties up to 0.25 acres, but what makes it different is not the automation, but how it navigates, because instead of relying on buried boundary wires or random movement patterns, the S4 uses the onboard intelligence to map and manage the yard on its own. You simply just place the mower connected through the app and let it scan and understand the space, and you don't need no wire installation or no perimeter setup, because this is as simple as it gets, and that removes one of the biggest barriers to robotic mower adoption. Now let's go ahead and talk about the navigation, because this is not random movement anywhere it wants to go. This is very intentional, because usually traditional mowers, they rely on random bouncing patterns, but the S4 uses the LiDAR combined with the Vision AI, and it actively scans the yard in 3 dimensions, and at the center of that system, you're gonna find the AllSense 3D Fusion sensing, processing over 200,000 data points per second with centimeter level positioning accuracy. And in simple terms, that means that it understands the yard, it doesn't just react, it plans it, and that movement looks very structured instead of chaotic. And as you guys saw, the yard that I'm using has uneven patches. We don't have inclines or declines, but that's not a problem for the S4, but we do have trees and tight fence edges and everyday objects like this soccer ball left in the grass, but the S4 handles those situations with the 360-degree obstacle detection and avoidance, the structure and intelligent path planning, and the accurate edge and perimeter cutting, and that instead of bumping into objects, it recognizes and adjusts. And instead of missing corners, it intentionally detracts the edges, and it feels more like a system that understands the space and not a gadget that is kinda guessing its way through the yard. Now, when it comes to the performance and the practical everyday use, the S4 operates below the 60 decibels, and that means that it can run during the day without disrupting home life or neighbors, and its dual-wheel drive system handles slopes up to 42%, and that matters in residential landscapes that are not perfectly leveled, and when the battery runs low, it automatically returns to charge and resumes mowing, and in case if it detects the rain, it pauses and heads back to base, and for homeowners like my cousin, that translates to less monitoring, fewer interruptions, and more consistent results. One of the best parts is that the Sunseeker app gives the homeowners the control without the complexity, because you can define the multiple mowing zones, you can set the no-go areas around the pools or landscaping, and adjust the cutting height between 1.6 and 3.2 inches, schedule sessions, and monitor the progress remotely. And it also supports the over-the-air updates, meaning that performance improves over time without replacing the hardware. So I think the S4 is built for homeowners who want to maintain lawns under 0.25 acres, they want the wire-free installation, they have uneven and complex yards, or they need the safe operation around pets and family, but in reality it's not designed for large commercial properties, it's designed for real residential use, and that distinction matters. So I think to recap, the Sunseeker S4 is focusing on the structured navigation, the real-world obstacle awareness, and the intelligent planning, and it feels less like you're buying a gadget and more like a lawn tool that understands the environments in your yard, and is designed not for demo lawns but for yards that people actually live in. And for many homeowners, that difference right there is what really counts.
All right, guys, the sun is almost out. Now, this is not the most cinematic to showcase this product, but at the end of the day, it definitely cut and it made a difference. Now, what are your thoughts?
Really, first time, this is reliable. You press start, go about your day, peace of mind. Number two, value. Instead of paying a landscaper so much per month and everything, this will give you long-term value, reliability. This right here will do the job. Trust the process.
Yeah, so
it works.
We'll cut this out next week, and then after that, it's just all about maintenance. So, approved?
Approved.
Approved. That's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. The link will be in the description below if you want to get one of the Sunseeker S4s with a special discount for our viewers. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye-bye.